Hello, YouTube and friends. Retirement Boot Camp Off-gridAZ here. And it's a weekend trip to the fire department. We have a fire department that's volunteer. So it's very small, but small in number, but big in heart. And this is the inside of our volunteer fire department here in Chloride. You can see they did a lot of good work here to make it look good and work good, I guess, I hope. And I'm just gonna take you for a walk around our lone fire truck that is kept here in the town site. So they're just working on it today, doing some cleaning and starting it up to make sure that it's gonna run. We are volunteers here, so what they do is basically just kind of attend to any situation, hopefully, until our fire department professionals come out of Golden Valley, Arizona. Golden Valley is about 25 miles away, and they have a very nice fire department building down there. I've been to see it, and those folks are not volunteer in Golden Valley. There is a larger fire department out of Kingman, Arizona, which is about 10 miles down the road in Kingman that has several fire divisions there, and they would back up if they need to, in case there's a really large fire. We've had a brush fire here in the last 4 years since I've been here. We had an outbuilding burn down here in the ranches outside of town, and that building was lost. And then we also had a house fire. I believe it was the beginning of last winter. Here is the controls for the main functions of the truck. This has a water storage tank in it also, and it runs through the fire hydrants here. And we only have a few fire hydrants working in town within the town site. So, but the house fire, the house was lost, unfortunately, and I don't know any details of that other than just it burned down at the beginning of the winter, so I can't say, but my personal guess would just be it was some type of heating fire, you know, a furnace that had a problem for some reason. So perhaps, I don't know, like I said. Here's some of the equipment they have here. They have a very minimal amount of things here just because they have to make sure that anything they keep here is in good working order. They can't just put, you know, old stuff out here. They've done a good job in updating things in the last year or so.